Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another tutorial. I think I like doing these tutorials. So what I'm demonstrating is showing you how the length of where the hair reaches on me. I have the inches 24 at the time. They didn't have 48, so I had to combine the two to make 48 inches. Yes, girl, yes, I wanted them long. So it's the Bobbi Boss New Locs inches and 24 in the color 30. Also, I do have the color number 4. So that's the colors that I have in my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys how to combine 2 locks into one. So what you're going to do is you're going to have one of your locks, you know, on your hair stand if you have one. I don't have one, so I just put it on my dresser. And you're going to unloop one of the loops, as I am about to show you now. So you're going to unloop the loop. You don't have to unloop it by much, probably an inch or so, as long as your finger can go through it and you're fine. And then you're going to take your second one, and what you're going to do is you're going to split it in half, probably an inch as well. You don't have to split it by much, because again, you want these babies to be long, you feel me? So you're going to split it by an inch, and then you're going to just tie as many knots as you can. As you can see here, I probably tied it like 3 or 4 times until there was no more hair, to the point where you just want to start rolling up the hair as if you're locking, you know, a pair of locks. So you're going to tie as many times as you can, and you're going to twist up with the ones that you can't lock, and then you're going to roll it. Just roll it. And that's pretty much it. It's really simple. You don't have to burn it or anything, and you just repeat. So we're about to crochet our lock. You're gonna want to choose your larger piece over the smaller piece, because I say the smaller pieces go towards the front and the larger pieces go towards like the back and the middle of your head. Okay, so when you're going to apply the lock, you are going to have your crochet needle going, basically, let's just say north. So you want it to go up. Don't face the crochet needle down. Like, you want it to go up, right? And I say that because you want your locks to look as seamless as possible, as natural as possible. So having the crochet needle going up is the best way. Okay, now it's here where it starts to get complicated. I didn't know what I was doing. I YouTubed it, how to do the butterfly effect as much as I could, and I really couldn't get the grip of it. So I did it my way, I guess. The hair that I'm using, I honestly do not remember the hair that I'm using, but hopefully I can probably look it up and remember it by the package, but I really don't know what it was. All I know is that it was a water wave. And so this hair, it is not that thick, so which is why my locks weren't as thick as everyone. You know how everyone else's locks be thick as hell? Yeah, mine aren't that thick. And I actually really love them this way. So if I plan on doing it this way, hopefully I can find that hair again. Especially since my locks weren't heavy. So with wrapping it, you want to like make sure your thumb basically gets in the way. That's how I can put it. Just make sure your thumb gets in your way so it can have that little distressed curly look to your lock. Yeah, that's the best way I can explain it. Even though I watched videos, I really couldn't get the same effect. I don't know if it's because I use a different hair, but yeah. And if you have a piece of your hair sticking out, just cover it with that hair that you're wrapping the lock with, and you'll be fine. It won't come out. See? Just wrap it with the hair, and girl, ain't nobody gonna see. Y'all, these things came out so beautiful. I had them for like 2 months. My hair started locking and everything, because that's how bad I didn't want to take them out. But you know how we do. You feel me? Depend on who, boo? Okay, boo. Like, you see me? I'm so cute. They didn't hurt. They weren't tight. Nothing. Like, I love this look on me. I love this so much. I hope you guys try it too. See y'all next time.